she was actually put on a heart transplant list. A heart transplant cost $1.8 million to the system. The cardiologists were literally scratching that how the failing heart, which was 20-25%, became 50%. She told me that she walked this 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐬. She had gone for a hike and she was walking over there. You have the power to heal yourself, you know. She's Kath. She visited in this very clinic last year. Super frustrated with standard care. She was actually put on a heart transplant list. And they were not able to figure out because her heart had failed. But typically the reason, one of the top reasons for heart failure is having a blockage or something going on with the heart. But in her case, it was totally different. And why I'm bringing this story is because I want to share with you now that how women's heart health is different than men, and how it is important and for us being sensitive to understand these aspects of women, you know. So when she came to me, she was not even able to actually walk from the car park till here because she was in congestive failure. So again, our principles are that whenever standard care is required, any emergency is required, we really want them to do first, because you cannot do lifestyle changes or all these things when you're going to die, right? So there is a place for prevention and there is a place for intervention. I am focused on prevention, but we have in our team everyone. So we have got Mark, who is an internist, we have got interventional cardiologists, so we have got intervention people plus prevention, and we work in harmony. That's what I wanted to say, because many times people, when they seek alternate care, then the holistic or this natural, they are very much against this and that. And I feel that we need to believe in the unity and the harmony and have that balance that, hey, everything has its place. So we sent her to the, I sent her to the ER. I said, you have to decongest because she had a lot of fluids in her body. Came back, then me and Mark started stabilizing her and worked on her medications because she was not responding to any of the medications which she was put in. She responded to the treatment which we gave, what Mark gave, and then we started focusing on her lifestyle piece. We started focusing on the stress part of it, the diet part of it. We did her gut, worked on her foods part of it, and literally in 3 months, she came out of the heart transplant list. The cardiologists were literally scratching that how the failing heart, which was 20-25%, became 50%. In fact, 3 different cardiologists started doing echoes every time, that is the echo reading wrong. And this amazing woman, a big shout out to her, that she walked last month she told me that she walked this 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐬. She had gone for a hike and she was walking over there. So what I want to present to you is that we are not just talking about this concept, but if you choose to awaken that doctor within you, if you choose to believe in yourself, that you have the power to heal yourself, and that is where the journey begins. And that's what I always like to give 100% credit to the people I work with. And I don't know, but I do believe in God, and there is a superpower or force. And I believe that we are just instruments in the hands of God. So 100% credit to that force which is working through us. But this is amazing and path-breaking work. A heart transplant cost $1.8 million to the system. Wow. And this thing got solved just in $10,000. So you can imagine the difference which is there. And I have always believed in prevention, that the needs of many should prevail over the needs of few. What is happening right now in healthcare? We are spending all the money in fixing broken things, which is going into billions of dollars. And when the money has to be assigned for prevention, nothing is done. But imagine if we can move the needle here and start reimbursing for preventative treatments. how much lesser the cost of the healthcare burden would be. And that is what we are advocating here, because it is our tax dollars, you know, because now I am also a citizen, it's our tax dollars which is being spent, you know, on this healthcare, and we need to change that for